Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix camera crash problem in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So there are some tricks if your camera is shuttering or when you just open it will not start, how you can fix it. So first let's see if it is working. If sometimes it's working, if it is not, you have to go to this more option or camera settings. So let's find out. So you have to click on this. Now click on settings, scroll down, and here it is, reset settings. So when you just tap on it, all the camera settings will be on default. So it is, now you can see all the settings are in default. And if the situation is the camera will not open, and what can you do if it is not fixing? You have to just simply long press this camera, click on this I button, scroll down, and you will see here it is storage. Now clear the cache and clear the data of this camera. You will not lose any of your data if it is photos, your videos, or anything. Just clear data and it will fix. Or you can do software update or restart your smartphone and then it will be fixed successfully. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.